so far we have discussed about the all the application, all the layers, and different networking terms and terminologies. Let's discuss the network layer protocols. Layer three, a network layer in communication. Okay, layer three. We're talking about the layer three, IP layer. Network layer, as you can see, what is the role of the network layer? Is to provide the end-to-end transport process addressing end devices, encapsulation, routing, and de-encapsulation. So of course, this is the data is coming in at the network layer. Of course, this layer is going to add its own header. So we are going to discuss what is the role of the network layer. So this is the, you can see at the layer 3 is normally called network layer. It has two protocols, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay. So IPv4 and IPv6, we will discuss later on what is IPv6, but IPv4 is already there anyway. So number one,